CR-0923, State of Texas versus Cordelia Childress. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Tracy Beerhead, Your Honor.
For the defense?
John Young.
And are you Ms. Childress?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, counsel, have you received all the discovery and did you review it with your client?
Have, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Childress, I'm showing you what's entitled application for probation. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, I'm showing you what's entitled true bill of indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes,
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
I do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
yes, we are, Your Honor.
Ms. Childress, I'm showing you what's entitled court admonishments and defendants waivers and affidavit of admonitions. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you're charged with the offense of felon in possession of a firearm?
All right, guys, buckle up, because this Texas courtroom isn't your usual quiet scene. The judge is fired up, and the air is thick with tension. In front of her stands Cordelia Childress, nervous, eyes low, voice trembling. The charge? Felon in possession of a firearm. This isn't her first mistake. But today, her fate's about to change. The judge's tone cuts through the silence like a blade. This isn't just law. It's Judgment Day, Texas style.
That's a third-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
After reviewing State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Yes, Your Honor. This was a mistake. She trusted somebody else to give her a bag, and the bag happened to have a gun in it. He accepted the plea bargain to put this behind her rather than taking a chance at the trial.
Who did you trust? What is their name?
My brother.
Ah. Do you have any children?
Yes, ma'am. I have a 3-year-old.
And where's the 3-year-old?
She's with family members right now.
What family members?
Her grandmother, paternal grandmother.
Have you been in a part of her life at all?
Cordelia tries to explain, says she trusted her brother, says it was all a mix-up, but the judge doesn't blink. You trusted who? She snaps. The courtroom feels like it's closing in. Even Cordelia's lawyer knows the plea deal is her only shot at mercy. Every word from the bench feels heavier than the last. The tension is real. This is justice without sugarcoating.
Not much.
So are you planning, there's someone looking through the glass, like the song, How Much Is That Doggy in the Window or something?
Not associated with us, Your Honor.
Okay. So are you employed?
I was, yes, ma'am.
Doing what?
I work for Olive Garden, ma'am.
All right, Olive Garden.
Yes, ma'am.
Their calamari is not as good as it used to be.
They changed the batter.
All right, so you can talk to them about that.
Yes, ma'am.
Landry has got the best calamari.
They do?
They
Okay.
do, down on the river.
All right. You know, Olive Garden is under the umbrella with Red Lobster.
Yes, it's
Yeah.
a 30 restaurant.
Yeah. And so Olive Garden, your mushrooms would be so much better if you would stuff them with the shrimp like they do at Red Lobster. I'm just throwing that out there.
I'll make sure and let my manager.
But you all do have the best salad dressing.
Yes.
So, but don't put enough tomatoes in your salad. I'm just, or cucumbers. I don't know why they don't do
It's
that.
like the cherries in the fruit salad.
Yeah.
You can always
Got to
request
hunt
more.
for them.
Okay, I'm going to do that. You all, I don't know what's the best, their breadsticks or the cheddar biscuits. I'm just saying that because you work there. We know it's the cheddar biscuit.
And just when things get weird, they really get weird. The judge suddenly starts talking about Olive Garden, Red Lobster, and salad dressing. The courtroom goes quiet, not knowing whether to laugh or cry. It's her way of breaking tension, but her eyes say otherwise. Behind that humor is a warning. You better fix your life. Cordelia nods fast. She knows she's on thin ice.
Their biscuits
we know.
are just the best thing that the Red Lobster's got.
So, Do you have a place to live?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And are you going to go back and try to get work at Olive Garden?
Yes, ma'am. I'm working in Ingram.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Do we have any drug issues with you?
No, ma'am.
Why were you at this hotel?
My brother called me.
All right. Your story sounds a little fishy to me, but what I'm going to tell you is when you're on probation out of this court, we take it very seriously.
Yes, ma'am.
So you're going to have to complete everything and they are going to drug test you. Okay. So how long have you been in custody?
Since November.
Oh, wow.
I've
Why
only
hasn't you been-
I've only been involved for about a month here.
Well, I will tell you, this case is from 2023. At least that's the case number on the file. So we don't have people in this court sitting in that jail that long. So once it came to my attention, here we are.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. There's going to be a $1,500 fine that'll be probated. 4 years in the prison, suspended and probated for 4 years.
All right, guys, now it gets real. The judge drops the hammer. For years probation, fines, community service, and parenting classes. No unsupervised visits with her child. The courtroom gasps. The sentence hits hard. You'll follow every rule, the judge says, or you'll see what prison looks like. Cordelia's eyes well up. This is mercy, but it's wrapped in steel. The gavel hits. Judgment sealed.
100 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to ask for parenting classes
Yes, ma'am.
with raindrops to rainbows. We'll try it. There should be no unsupervised contact with minors. So what that means is with your 3-year-old, if you are visiting her, you cannot have the grandmother leave and you just stay there by yourself. Counsel, I'll consider changing that once she's done some parenting classes.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, ma'am.
There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person,
Yes, ma'am.
regular UAs. I'm going to want field visits 1 time per month for 3 months.
But the judge isn't done, not even close. Next up, Emmanuel Lara, just 23, walks up in cuffs, charged with burglary of a habitation. Why'd you break the glass? The judge demands. Emmanuel admits he was high. Since age 12, drugs ruled his life. This courtroom isn't just punishment. It's his last wake-up call. Everyone watches. Will you listen this time?
And probation thereafter as probation deems necessary. Proof of employment within 30 days. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Probation, is there anything else she needs? Yes, if she completes the parenting class, then the community service hours will be deemed satisfied. All right. Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
No, ma'am.
Showing you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendants' Rights to Appeal. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. You understand?
Yes.
All right, we can go off the record. How old are you?
I'm 35 now.
All right, you're 35. You need to know, because you're on paper, you cannot be accepting items from people, even family members, and not knowing what it is. All right. And the other thing, could you tell Olive Garden that when you ask for gnocchi soup, there needs to be some gnocchi in the gnocchi. Otherwise, you're just giving me some broth with chicken bits in it.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Deputy Laura, everybody knows I'm telling the truth about the gnocchi. All right, John Marino, the court is calling 2023 CR 2284, State of Texas versus Emmanuel Ramirez Lara. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Hank Wilkins for the state.
Defense?
Leslie Salonovich for the defense.
Are you Mr. Lara?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all the discovery? Did you review it with your client?
I have, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Going to show you what's entitled True Bill of Indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Lar, I'm showing you what's entitled Court Admonishments and Defendants Waivers of Affidavit and of Admonitions. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you're charged with the offense of burglary of a habitation force? That's a second-degree felony. The range.
All right, guys, this is where it hits deep. The judge looks Emmanuel dead in the eyes. You've got two choices: change your life or waste it. Her voice echoes across the room. She talks about addiction, broken families, and second chances. You can feel her frustration. She's seen this story too many times. He's sentenced to 2 years, but she offers a lifeline, a therapeutic community program, a real chance to fix what's broken. Emmanuel nods, tears forming. Yes, ma'am, he says. And for once, it sounds like he means it. The judge warns him about the streets, about overdoses, about wasting youth behind bars. You're young, she says, but the world won't wait for you to grow up. The courtroom is silent. Even the guard stands still. Her words aren't just for him. They're for every lost soul chasing a high instead of a future. The gavel drops again, hard. Good luck, she says, voice firm. This isn't pity, it's a challenge. 2 cases, 2 lives, 1 judge. Justice served, Texas style. All right, guys, if you thought courtrooms were boring, think again. This isn't TV. This is real life, raw and unfiltered. Stay tuned, because next time, it might just get even wilder.